Friends, coronavirus, which has changed our way of living and way of thinking from normal to abnormal, which had affect us physically as well as mentally, and if we see it has mostly affect us mentally. Why mentally I am saying? Because if we see right now for us, for human being, the main important thing is survival. Survival of ourselves and our family. And for this reason it is habitual that it has mostly affect us mentally. So we can also affect our mentality in our mind, in which we are already affected by this pandemic situation. But it is depend on us whether we affect our mind with dreadful, or we can affect it with something encouraging, inspiring, or something hopeful in our mind. Why I am saying this? Because whatever we experience, good or bad, in our life, most of the time it is depend on our thinking. What we think for ourselves and what we think for the others. The situation right now we are in because of coronavirus. Yes, we may think that it has changed our lifestyle or it has bring us crisis upon us. But if we want, we may also think that maybe it has bring a chance to learn some lessons that we had ignored previously. Because as we know, we human had forgot our main responsibility, that is humanity. We forgot that the entire world is not only for us. The other species, the environment, has the same rights as us. Why I am saying so? Because if we think like that, maybe we won't face the situation as we are facing right now. We human mostly think that our responsibility is only for our family and for ourselves only, and which I would say that nothing wrong is there, because it is our duty and we are bound to do it. But friends, is our responsibility is only for our family and limited to ourselves and nothing more than that? So if we think like that, maybe it could never happen the situation right now. But whatever already happens, we can't change it right now. But instead we can focus on whatever we have had on our hands right now. Yes, I am not saying that it will be easy for us, but at least we can try. We can try by helping needy people with whatever we can. Maybe we could feed someone at least one time in a day. And in this situation right now, feeding someone for one time, for the person, it will be a big help for him. So right now in this situation, we have two choices to think. Yes, like others, we may think that what will happen to us, there is no way out for us, what we will do now, or we may think, I will survive this situation anyhow by focusing on whatever we had right now in our hand. Because now it is not about us, it is about the entire survival of the humanity.